Hi everyone, today I'm going to take you through a tutorial of doing a tripod headstand. I'm going to take you through a few exercises until you finally make your way up into the headstand, but it's really important that you're practicing those exercises as many times as you need before you feel that you're actually ready to press yourself up into the headstand. So when you're ready, meet me on your mat. Today we're going to begin in tabletop pose. Bring your wrists beneath your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. Inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly down to the earth. Shine your chest and neck up. Exhale, cow pose. Press through your palms, rounding your spine. Let your head and neck hang heavy. Now continue cat-cow with your own breath. We're just going to invite a little bit of flexion and extension into our spine before we begin to work our way into our tripod headstands. Move very slowly and fluidly and squeeze your core nice and tight, especially in your cow pose, so you're not just pressing your belly towards the earth. Suck your belly button up to your spine. Good. One more time. On your next exhale, bring yourself to a neutral spine. Grab whatever your cushion is for your head for this first exercise and place it at the top of your mat. You're going to place your hands just beneath it and you want them shoulder width distance apart. From here, very gently bring the crown of your head onto your cushion and maybe scoot your hands up just a little bit. Find what's comfortable for you. Tuck your toes, lift your knees up off the mat, and walk your toes closer to your head until you're comfortable, all right? From here, bend your knees down to the earth. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, press up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, press up. We're just working on this movement to get you used to that feeling of being upside down. As you exhale, press up. I want your hands also pressing into the mat as if your toes could almost lift off of the earth. Inhale, lower. Exhale, press up. We got 3 more. Exhale, press. Inhale, down. Exhale, press. Inhale, down. Last one. Exhale, press. Inhale, down. Untuck your toes and very, very softly rise up. Bring your hands behind your head and bend your head back. And then fold it down, bringing your chin to your chest. Just bring a little bit of gentle movement into our neck after we've put so much weight on our neck. If your head is really hurting, that's totally normal at the beginning of your headstand journey. After just a couple times of practicing, you will not feel that anymore. Your body will adjust to being upside down and having that weight on the crown of your head. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. All right, on to the next exercise. Hands come to the earth, shoulder width distance apart. Bring the crown of your head onto your cushion. Tuck your toes, press yourself up. Bring your left knee onto your left elbow. I want you to press into the palms of your hands, strengthening your arms, and just play around with lifting your toe up off of the earth. You can point your toe. It'll help you engage your core a little bit more. I just want you to play around with these really soft movements. If you can't lift your toe up off the earth, just send your hips back a little bit with you. Otherwise, try to stabilize your core and just move your leg. We're gonna do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring both feet down. Bring your right knee to your right elbow. Press your hands into the earth and slowly and softly lift your toes up off of the earth. We're doing 15 on each side. Exhale as you press your toe up. Good, we have just a few more. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your feet to the earth. Bend your knees, untuck your toes, and very softly and slowly rise up. Take a moment to roll out your neck. Just giving our neck some love after putting so much weight down. Just breathe into these neck rolls for a moment. If you need to, you can put your hands on your neck. Whatever feels good for you. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and then bring your hands down. Place your hands on the mat. Let's move into the next one. On this next one, it's really important that you squeeze your core really, really tight to help aid you in this movement that we're going to do. So when your hands are in the right position, bring your forehead down to your cushion, tuck your toes, press your hips up. Press your hands into the mat, walk your toes a little bit closer. Bring your left knee to your left elbow and your right knee to your right elbow. Now, you can keep your toes on the earth here. We're gonna play around with bringing them up. Squeeze your core tight, we're just hanging out here. Now, we're gonna very softly shift our weight into the right side as you slowly reach your left leg up high. And then inhale, bring your leg back to your knee. Exhale, extend your leg high. Squeeze your core tight, point your toes. Inhale down. Exhale, press your leg high. 2 more. Exhale, press your leg up. Inhale down. 1 more. Exhale, press. Inhale down. Good. Lower down for just a moment. Just bringing your forehead onto your cushion. We're going to stay down rather than rising up and rolling out our neck. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Let's move on to the next one. Press your head up. Lift up your knees. Bring both knees to your elbows. Slowly shift your weight into your left side and extend your right leg up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Great, almost there. Continue to press into your hands to strengthen your arms. Squeeze your belly tight. We've got 2 more. Exhale up. Inhale down. Last one. Exhale up. Bring your knee down. Toes come to the earth. Bring your forehead down. Just rest. Softly and slowly rise up. And then roll your shoulders up by your ears and then down behind you. Take a moment to roll out your wrists. Roll your neck around. You've just got 1 more exercise until you are in a tripod headstand. All right, let's get right into it. Bring your hands down to the earth and then send your forehead down as you bring the crown of your head to your cushion. Tuck your toes, lift up your knees, walk your hands toward your body, and then bring your knees to your elbows. Point your toes, lifting them up. And we're gonna do a few pulses. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lift your hips up. Inhale down. Exhale, lift your hips up. Inhale down. Exhale, lift your hips up. Good. 3 more. Good. 2 and 1. Stay here and softly extend your legs up high. Good. Take a deep breath in. Then a deep breath out. Continue to squeeze your core nice and tight. Very slow and controlled. Bring your knees down to your elbows. Rest your toes down. And then bring your forehead down. Very slowly rise up. Roll your head and neck around. Loosen up that area. Good, and continue to take deep breaths in and deep breaths out. All right, and then come back to stillness and have a seat. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Be sure to practice those exercises leading up to the headstand as many times as you need before you feel that you're ready for the actual headstand. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love to know your thoughts about the video in the comments down below. And be sure to share this video with a friend. Also, if you'd like to access my longer yoga videos, you can find the directions in the description of this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.